Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is the homework. I'm recording this video as a companion video to help you understand the homework a bit more. I have already, of course, by the time you're watching this video, you have this companion document where you see, for example, the layout, how it should look like in a smaller screen and how it should look like in a bigger screen. Okay. However, because these images are static, sometimes it's not easy to understand what is actually the real requirement. So that's why I'm recording this companion video for you to understand the homework even more. Okay. As you can see, the homework, the page looks something like this. Okay, it's a simple tourism blog, and what you are expected to do is practice these concepts. Okay, HTML semantic tags, the HTML5 semantic tags, how to use the different HTML elements and tags, as well as the CSS grids and flexbox. Okay, so this is the homework's core requirement. In a bigger screen, the website should look something like this. The menu should be horizontally laid out like that. You should have a main content here, and you will have an aside content here. Then you have these different sections. For example, this is the first section. We have another section, another section, another section, and of course this is by itself also another section. Okay, when you make the screen smaller, you will see here that this aside should disappear, and these things should be now a vertical. Okay, so the menu will be vertical, and you will have also all the images vertically aligned like this. Now the more you increase the page a little bit, this images continue to come up. Okay, and of course in a bigger screen I'm already asking only for two screens. Okay, two breaking points, one for bigger screen and one for smaller screen. So this is now, for example, considered as a bigger screen, and you can see now more than one article is being displayed. Okay, so these are different articles that were written about these destinations, and the more you make it bigger, look at these articles, they continue to come up. Okay, so you need to figure out how to dynamically add this type of, you know, how to achieve this type of effect. Okay, we have seen this when we were studying grids, and also we have seen similar effect when we were studying flexbox. Okay, so you could use both here to achieve this technique. Actually in here I advise you to use the run technique, repeat. Okay, the repeat, autofill, autofit, and minimax. Okay, so this technique should be the technique you should use to achieve this. Here you can use, of course, flexbox, and look what happens when I minimize. They are in a column. The more I make this thing bigger, and the more they come up, and the more they turn into arrow. Okay, so this is look hatta the way they show up will be this way. Okay, then you have the last part. This form must be validated, so you should see here, fill out this field. So the form must be validated, and look at the form in a bigger screen. The labels and the input are side by side, and of course they are on the same line. And when you make it smaller, now let me make it in a smaller screen, and now they are below each other. Okay, so this is also another thing you should take care of when you're designing. Okay, so this is it. This is the homework. Okay, I hope this small video explains to you what exactly is required in this homework. Okay, and you could see also the hover overs that are required. Okay, thank you very much, and see you next week.